Imagine stepping into a room overflowing with life, color, and a fresh, earthy scent, thanks to indoor planters. The beauty of indoor planters lies in their ability to completely transform any space, making it feel alive and inviting. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary that breathes life into your home, workspace, or even your favorite nook. Picture this: a lush fern perched on your desk, delicate vines cascading down the shelves, or a vibrant monstera adding a tropical vibe to your living room. Now, let's dive into how these green companions can elevate your environment. Starting with air quality, did you know that indoor plants can improve the air you breathe? They absorb carbon dioxide while releasing oxygen, plus some even purify the air by removing toxins. This means you're not just beautifying your space, you're boosting your mental clarity and overall health. Now let's talk versatility. Indoor planters come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. From sleek, modern pots to rustic, handcrafted containers, you can find options that fit any decor style. Hanging planters can draw the eye upward, making a room feel taller, while larger floor planters can ground a space and fill empty corners with vibrancy. One of the most rewarding aspects: the act of nurturing. Caring for plants can be therapeutic. It's like having a living companion that responds to your love and care. Plus, watching your leafy friends thrive can bring you immense joy. Perhaps you're wondering about the best types of plants to start with. Low-maintenance options like snake plants and pothos are perfect for beginners, while those looking for a challenge might enjoy caring for orchids or more specialized varieties. Sprinkling your space with greenery doesn't just make it look stunning. It creates a peaceful atmosphere, reduces stress, and can even spark creativity. Integrating plants into your workspace is huge lately, as studies have shown that they can significantly boost productivity and morale. So, whether you're jazzing up your home office or just wanting a little corner of nature in your living room, plants are the way to go. And let's not forget the fun of personalizing your plant collection. You can create unique arrangements, theme your pots, or use decorative trays to make a statement. Maybe you're inspired to create a cozy reading nook with a few of your favorites nestled by a comfy chair. And here's a pro tip: mix textures and heights to create visual interest. Layering plants with varying leaf shapes and colors will keep your space dynamic. So, if you haven't already, bring a little greenery into your life. Personalize your space with indoor planters and watch how they reshape your surroundings. They don't just sit there. They spark joy, stir creativity, and create a sense of harmony that you didn't even know you needed. What's your favorite type of indoor plant? Comment below and share how you use greenery in your space. Want more tips? Follow for more.